nangyari. Meron pa pong sinabi itong netizen dito. It doesn't add up, Maris. June 28, your messages was saying, can we delete messages? Screenshots? Anthony said, delete natin to? You replied, gets mo ba? Sure, ako rin. Gets mo ba? Anthony said, yeah, gets ko naman. You answered, someday, di na kailangan. Anthony replied, yes, sana nga. Because you know that Anthony is still taken at that time. You started flirting with him. Around June, you said na nag-break kayo ni Rico, but not Anthony and his GF. You know that they are still together, so your statement can be considered false and lying. If Anthony fooled her by saying wala na sila ni Jam, bakit ikaw, Maris, ang unang nagsabi ng can we delete messages? It was your messages. Ipinapalabas ni Anthony sa'yo na wala na sila ng GF niya, why do you have to ask him to delete messages? I don't see the logic. Sorry, Maris. You should have told the truth in the beginning. Then eto, mga kahombre ko, naglabas din si Anthony Jennings few minutes ago lang to, ng kanyang publication of his private conversation with on-screen partner Maris Racal. Sa lahat ho ng mga nangyari noong nakaraang araw, sa lahat ho na nasaktan ko, especially po si Maris, saka si Jam, humihingi ho ako ng tawad sa dalawang babae. And sa lahat po ng mga nadamay doon, yun lamang po. Sorry po ulit. So they are desperately hanging on with their careers. So ulitin ko, mga kahombre ko, it's all fun and games hanggat sa meron pong nai-involve na ibang kalaguyo.